think the dog wants to see me. So let's see if we can get the dog. I'm over my arms, so certainly Archie. So make sure that the eyes are closed. Yeah, just so something like Archie, come in. It's really loud. Okay. So just let the dog out. Sorry about the noise back there. You want to see Archie? Archie, you want to look? You're hard to find. You're hard to find. No, he's not a YouTube dog, so he doesn't really know. Right now, he's trying to catch a bee. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Sorry, my leggings are like disgraceful. Because you can slime. Oh yeah, Archie, you can slime. This is Archie. He's like 2 or 3 right now. So yeah, he's this age. He is right now. Well, right now I have 2 slimes in my dad's. 1 fluffy slime, 2 water slime. I'll start with the water slime just because it's in my hand. This really. Australia, so just like animal slime. And I was trying to do a live stream, but it needed contact number, and I only had it in Archie, 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 what's this? Archie, Archie, what's this? Kitty, go get it. We looked at it and go. So that is what I do is when I put it in, I just kind of spread it out. Anyway, so next slime, fluffy slime. Really adapting. It's like a purpley pinkish kind. I don't know what colour. Comment down below what colour you guys can see on the camera. And there's a couple of like white bits in it, but it's like purple pink. And comment down below if you can see it differently on the camera. And I will make a poll. So, if I do manage to make a poll, it will be here or here or in one of these corners here. Anyway, if I do make one, but I probably won't make one. Anyway, so yeah, I probably will not make one after done it. Archie, 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 come here, come here. He's not listening to me. Come here, come on, let's go, let's go. Let's see if we run. Yep. Too busy relaxing. Right, well, let's see. Come on, come here. Here's your kisses. Come here. Please, no. Yeah. Just like that. Anyway, so, Archie, come in. Come on. Come here. Come on up. Come on up. Please. Stop moving, right? Anyway.